Hi, my name is Alake Pilgrim, and I'm the author of Zoe and the Forest of Secrets, a fantasy adventure with futuristic twists set on a Caribbean island. So I'm going to read a little bit now from the book, and it's actually a section that has to do with spiders that's inspired by Anansi stories. My heart jumped in my chest. As if talking spiders weren't enough, this one was different from the others. It had a mechanical leg made of silver metal, complete with gears and joints, with pinchers on the end of it like a crab. I stared, blinked, and stared again. The leg was still there. The spider moved up my side to my shoulder, whirring and creaking all the way. I could see now that one of its eyes was red and shining like an electric light. It clicked in and out of its head on the end of what looked like a tiny telescope. The spider's other eyes were scarred, sightless, 2 of them covered with an eye patch. What madness was this? I wriggled and tried to scream, but my mouth and body were wrapped in webs like an unfinished Egyptian mummy. "Calm down, girlie," the spider ordered, in no way calming me down. "You never seen a robotic arm? Or is me pretty eye got you shaking in your boots?" The other spiders laughed. I had to be dreaming. This spider sounded like an old pirate woman who had sailed the wild and restless sea. I blinked hard, trying to wake myself up, but it was still there. "We got to get going, Captain Peg," one of the spider crew murmured respectfully. It was wearing a pink beret covered in medals. There was a chorus of mm-hms and yeses all around. "Stay busy and mind your manners, you scurvy landlubbers," the spider with the metal leg growled. Who talked like that? And where were they taking me next? I squirmed hard, trying to get out of the webs. The other spiders mumbled and complained, but they hurried to obey, checking the webs that held me tight. Captain Peg nestled in the twists of my hair, scanning the forest and sky as if on the lookout for something or someone. I jumped when she whispered in my ear, "The boss said to follow the river and don't trust people you don't know. This is the last message she could send you. You hear?" I stared at her wildly. She rolled her one good eye. "Child," she sighed softly, "stick break in your ears?" The fur on her legs tickled my face horribly. I tried not to move or breathe. "Say nothing about this," she went on, "as you love your life. Remember, those who can't hear will feel." I hope you enjoyed that short piece from Zoe and the Forest of Secrets. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.